Here is a wonderful 2021 Toyota Highlander. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Give your family this spacious, efficient Highlander and start building your road trip memories. You'll love its smooth riding, quiet cabin, excellent durability, responsive performance, and ample cargo space, as well as its safety and driver assistance technology. With a flexible interior that seats up to 8, you'll be ready for a world of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, proximity key entry, navigation system, moonroof, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, power passenger seat. You deserve a family vehicle that knows how to multitask. Take this versatile Highlander out for a spin and let our professional staff show you our commitment to outstanding customer service. We look forward to meeting you.